Hi, my name is Justin Carruthers. I'm the lead instructor here at Tulsa Welding School, and today I'd like to go over the residential refrigerator and a few tips as far as to get the most out of your refrigerator. They're not cheap and we want them to last as long as they can, right? So some of the big things I would like to point out is at the bottom of your refrigerator, it's not just a guard. It is actually used to let air flow from underneath it and up the back in order to remove heat from the refrigerant as it is being generated inside the refrigerator. Also, we use that on the ice machine side to remove heat out of the ice box in order to create ice and keep our frozen products frozen. And on our refrigerated side, we want to keep our cool products cool, right? Because no one likes to buy a bunch of product, bring it home, and then the next day it's all gone bad because it wasn't able to maintain that temperature. One thing you need to be careful about when stocking your refrigerator or freezer is not to overstock. I love going to the store and stocking up for a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever. You just got to be really careful because like everything else, it needs room for air to move through, not only for keeping your product cool, but just overall the health of the unit. This unit needs to be able to breathe just like everything else does. And if we've got too much in there, it won't be able to do its job properly. Another key thing that we need to pay attention to when working on this unit is our water. We need clean water. Clean water for ice production, clean water for consumption, right? So always keep a close eye on your filter. Keep a close eye on the signals that let you know that it is time to change your water filter. You should be able to get these at your local hardware store, Home Depot. It's available, and I found it's better to replace more often than not. And also, it's a good idea to inspect the back of your refrigerator and make sure there's no dust or hair or any kind of debris that can cause any restriction of airflow from the back of your refrigerator. So just a few key things to keep an eye on. And just cleanliness for your machine is best. It helps keep the longevity of the unit and also will keep money in your pocket by having a good working refrigerator. So in regards to the bottom of your fridge, it's very, very important to keep it clean and clear of any obstruction because air is passing through the bottom, up through the bottom, through the back. And its purpose is to remove any heat from the copper coils, the condenser, the compressor, and also this unit does condensate. I'm sure everyone remembers, well maybe not, your old ice machines having to defrost it. There was a time in our lives where we had to defrost our ice machine, take everything out, put it in an ice chest, and wait for like 3 hours. Sometimes you would chip it away, try to get it to break loose. Thank goodness we don't have to do that any longer. This machine will defrost on its own and condensate, and there is a pan underneath there. So we have to keep air movement available, not only to cool our equipment down, but also to evaporate any moisture that is being collected from our ice machine. So just another very important thing is keeping everything clean and clear for proper airflow.